Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Roblox Tower of Hell. I'm playing on Roblox because I made Among Us videos. But yeah, and I'm pretty good at Roblox Tower of Hell. So hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm actually really whoa. No, I'm over the second stage. No. Alright, let me go in Pro Towers. Maybe. Wait, why do I have 698 coins? 38 coins. That's weird. Didn't I have like... Oh, okay, that's 3 or 9. If you want to add me on Roblox, my username is SollySid234. I think I've done this level. I've gotten a shortcut. Don't even. Like I used to go there, but not working anymore. This is very annoying. I hate this. Oh. God dang it. Alright, let me go back to New Towers. That's not even a Pro Tower. New and Pro Towers have the same level. There's not even a difference. No. And also follow me on Roblox and join me. I have my followers on. Oh, no. Come on. Alright, well, I think that'll be it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.